How do you find these earrings? Awesome, isn't it? Would you like to design some for yourself? Would you like to make it for yourself? How about this color? Do you like it? So this is a fabric earring on a 3 centimeter diameter circle and is bordered with Kundan stones. Hi, I'm Bhakti. My brand name is Fabriety and I make handmade customized jewelry as per the requirements. So today I'm going to show you how to make these beautiful Kundan stone earrings, fabric earrings. So the colors can be customized. So let's get started. Today we will be making fabric earrings with Kundan stones. This is the final finish that it will look like. For this we will need MDFs. This circle is of 3 centimeter. We will need some ear studs, pushbacks, fabric. So this is for the front part and this is a smaller one for the back part. We will need needle and thread for stitching, need B6000 glue, scissors, and finally Kundan stones. So what we will do is, first we will stick these studs to the MDF. Once this is done, now we will take the fabric. So I'll show you the process that I follow. So I'll just start stitching. So what I will do is I'll just give a running stitch at the corner of the fabric. I hope you are enjoying the video and learning how to make this beautiful earrings. As you can see, this is how I have done. It's a running stitch. Now what I will do is I will place the MDF in this. You can hold here and just pull this. Now when you pull, see, you will get a proper finish here. See, this is how you will get it. Now if you see here, see, it's not wobbling, nothing, and you can see the front part. So I'll complete this another portion and get back to you. So now as you can see, both we have finished it. The covering of the MDF with the fabric will cover the back. So what I will do is I will again stitch the back part. I'll show you this how I do it. So it's better that you take a close to matching thread with the fabric so that it gives a good look. So what you do is just start from any corner whichever you like. Then place the fabric here. So what we'll do is here, when we see the extra part, we'll just fold it here and we'll start giving the stitches here. If you have found this useful, please like and share with your friends and family so that they can also learn to make this type of beautiful jewelry. And also please subscribe to my channel. So regarding all your queries about fabric jewelry online course or offline course, I am in Bangalore, so offline course is available in Bangalore also. So if you have any inquiries regarding that, please get in touch with me on my WhatsApp number. I will share you all the details there. So now this is how the end part has come. See, now I just put here, just start wrapping it. Now when you'll wrap it, see how the finishing comes and how it looks. So once you have seen these earrings, let me know in the comments which other type of earrings you would like to learn, so I can try and make it for you. This is the final stitch. Now just put a knot here and it's done. This is how it looks from the front side and from the back side. It gives a good finish look. Okay, so I will do this part and get back to you. So now you can see I have finished the second part also. So these two are ready. Now let's start with sticking of the Kundan stones. We will just apply some glue at the border of this ear. Sticking the kundans. So wherever you have hold it, where the stud is there now, that part you keep, you can keep that part as your starting point and start sticking the kundan stones. Only halfway, till this diamond's half part is seen, only halfway you have to put it, you have to start sticking. If you find it difficult to stick by hand, what you can do is you can take a crayon, and with crayon also you can start sticking. It becomes easier and faster, and then the glue doesn't stick to it. So let me know in the comments, how do you find this color? Which other type of earrings you would like me to design and show it to you? I hope you like the tutorial, and I would love to hear your views on this tutorial in the comments. So now, as you can see, if I put one more, there is not sufficient space, it will be crowded. So now let's adjust this so that it doesn't look crowded, but it looks neat and clean also. Now you may not see that much gap, it looks good. And so this is how the earrings have come out. This is the way it looks, and this is how it looks from the back side. Then just put this and you're good to go. I would be coming up with another new tutorial on another pair of handmade earrings. Till then, see you. Thank you for watching.